Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use MidJourney version 6.1 for the AI images in 2025. Now, first of all, we need to understand what is MidJourney's version 6.1. So, version 6.1 is an upgrade to the MidJourney model that is going to improve the natural language, understanding, realism, and the fine details. You don't need overly technical prompts anymore because the version 6.1 interprets casual descriptions better, support the longer prompts, and give sharper textures for the face, lighting, and environments. So MidJourney runs entirely through Discord. So you can either go on discord.com and then you can join the MidJourney's server, or you can also come here on midjourney.com. Then you can explore it with the help of your email address. So this is going to be its explore page where you will see a bunch of different creations that basically people have made. So you can click on any one of these photos and videos and you can take a look at the prompt that is used in order to create this particular video or the image. On top of it, you will find the option of subscribe to start creating. So this is very necessary for you to do. MidJourney actually requires you a subscription in order to get started with it. You won't be able to use it free. So if you click on the option of join now, you will have to pay at least $8 per month if you build yearly, or $10 per month if you subscribe monthly. So after subscribing for it, you will be able to get access to the MidJourney creation option. So there you can type \imagine followed by the prompts, and by default MidJourney is going to use the latest version, which is version 6.1 engine, but you can also force it with version 6.1 if you want it in your prompt. So this is how you can start using MidJourney version 6.1 for AI images in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.